It takes about 15 days for this to grow from this, and it takes about 20 days for this to grow from this. But once planted, this one cabbage plant can be harvested for days and weeks on end. Growing lettuces and greens in the garden is one of the easiest things you can do. Lettuce plants grow quickly. Lettuce plants don't take up much space, and you can harvest from your lettuce plants again and again throughout a season. I've gardened in hot and cold climates in small and big spaces, and I continue to find that growing greens is the one thing I can do for at least 6 months out of the year. If you're wondering what to do and when to plant, my new course, 6 Months of Garden Salad, lays out a simple schedule that you can follow. Salad gardening really is so rewarding, and it's simple to do when you have a guide to follow. So click here to watch the first video, and you'll be going from this to this to this before you know it.